Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share my travel adventures around the world. Today I'm in Cusco, Peru, the historic capital of the Inca Empire and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cusco is a stunning city that blends ancient and colonial architecture, rich culture, and breathtaking scenery. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best places to visit in Cusco and give you some tips on how to make the most of your trip. First of all, let's talk about the altitude. Cusco is located at 3,400 meters above sea level, which means you might experience some symptoms of altitude sickness, such as headache, nausea, or shortness of breath. To prevent this, I recommend you drink plenty of water, avoid alcohol and caffeine, and take it easy for the first day or two. You can also try some coca tea or coca leaves, which are natural remedies that help with altitude adaptation. One of the main attractions in Cusco is the Plaza de Armas, the main square and the heart of the city. Here you can admire the beautiful cathedral and the Church of Santo Domingo, which was built on top of the Coricancha Temple, one of the most important religious sites of the Incas. You can also find many shops, restaurants, bars, and museums around the plaza. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Another must-see in Cusco is Sacsayhuaman, an impressive fortress that overlooks the city from a hilltop. Sacsayhuaman was built by the Incas using huge stones that fit together perfectly without any mortar. The site has a strategic location and offers amazing views of Cusco and the surrounding mountains. You can also see some llamas grazing on the grass and some local vendors selling souvenirs and snacks. If you want to explore more of the Inca heritage in Cusco, you can visit some other archaeological sites nearby, such as Taipan, Piquillacta, Tambomaque, and Kenko. You can also take a day trip to the Sacred Valley of the Incas, where you can see more ruins, terraces, markets, and villages. And of course, you can't miss Machu Picchu, the most famous and spectacular Inca citadel in Peru. You can get there by train or by hiking the Inca Trail or other alternative routes. But Cusco is not only about history and culture. It's also a vibrant and cosmopolitan city that offers a variety of experiences for every taste. You can enjoy some delicious Peruvian cuisine at one of the many restaurants in town, from traditional dishes like ceviche and lomo saltado to fusion and international options. You can also try some local specialties like kiwi, guinea pig, or alpaca meat. You can also have some fun at night at one of the many bars and clubs in Cusco. You can find live music, karaoke, salsa dancing, and more. Just remember to drink responsibly and don't overdo it with alcohol at high altitude. And last but not least, you can shop for some souvenirs and handicrafts at one of the many markets in Cusco. You can find colorful textiles made of alpaca wool or cotton, pottery, jewelry, paintings, and more. The best places to shop are San Pedro Market near the train station and San Blas Market in the bohemian neighborhood of San Blas. So these are some of the things you can do in Cusco, Peru. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. And let me know in the comments what are your favorite places to visit in Cusco, or if you have any questions about traveling here. Thanks for watching and see you next time.